how to use Google Calendar. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can use Google Calendar. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice, be it the Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any other web browser. So if you have opened Google Chrome, you can simply go to this particular option or this button that says Google Apps just towards the left hand side of your profile picture, and once you will do click on this, you will see the calendar option right here. So simply click on this calendar icon and it will open your Google Calendar. Now if you are in another web browser, you can simply search for Google and then calendar. Now once you search for Google Calendar, you can hit the enter button, and from here you can click on Google Calendar and it will open the same view as before. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.